Hello, welcome back to Linux Wednesdays, where we look at Linux tips and tricks on a Wednesday. In this week's video, we're going to be looking at installing the Ascii image converter. Now, you can convert images to Ascii, like you would see on a 1980s bulletin board. You can also convert them to Braille, you can convert them to colour, and so on. So, to get the Ascii image converter installed, you need to install the Snap Store. You can install the Snap Store from https snapcraft.io/install/snap-store/mint #install, and I'll link that in the description below. All you need to do now is copy and paste these lines into your terminal one by one, and the last one is sudo snap install snap store, and it installs the Snap Store. Once you've got the Snap Store installed, go to your terminal. Let's do a shift control plus, and you can do a sudo snap install Ascii image converter, and that will install the program. Once the program is installed, you can then convert images by using Ascii image converter and dropping your image into the terminal. So let's try this one here. So you can do Ascii-image-converter, and we're going to drag the JPEG into the terminal. We're going to press enter. Check that out. That's it in Ascii characters, the picture we had. Let's do a shift control minus. That'd be a bit easier to see. There we go. If you wish to do it in colour, you can do a -C at the end of it. You see there, that creates a colour version. Let's do that one in Braille. So we can do a -B. You see there, it's done in Braille. Let's do a -B, -C. There we go. 1980s graphics like BBS boards. Check that out. Let's do another image. Let's clear the screen. We'll do an Ascii image converter, and we'll do a picture from my picture folder. Let's go to my home, go to pictures. Let's do this GIF here. Now, I think this is a moving GIF. Full screen again, and we're going to press enter. See there, we got Sonic the Hedgehog moving as a moving GIF. Press Ctrl C. Let's make him colour. You see there, it's now colour moving GIF. I presume it'll work with other moving GIFs. This is one I found online. Do a Ctrl C. Let's do a -B, -C. You see there, it's now done it in a little bit of colour there. Look at that, Sonic the Hedgehog running Ascii characters in Braille. Check that out. Wow. Alright, let's do it again. But we'll get rid of we'll do the Braille. That's better. Look at that. Sonic the Hedgehog in Braille and Ascii characters. You could take a screenshot of that. You could do whatever you wanted to do to that. Let's do one more. Let's do a few more images. So if I do that one there, and we'll drag in another image, such as this one here, the ICOM IC718, which is a amateur radio or ham radio. Press enter, and you see there, not looking very good, but let's try it in Braille. Looks a bit better. You can still see some detail. That's the screen, there's the buttons there, that's the dial. Let's do it in colour. That looks a lot better in colour. You can see the screen there, see the dial. I presume if the terminal colour is different, like the backdrop different, and it might show up a bit better. But if you do a Ascii image converter -H, it gives you all the information about it. So you can set your background colour, you can set your dimension limits, the width, height, and so on. Let's do one more image. On my pictures folder, what are we going to do? Let's do the Linux penguin. Let's drag the Linux penguin in to the terminal. You see there's a penguin. Let's make it -C, make it in colour. Let's do -C, -B for Braille. There you go, that looks good. Let's try it without the -C. You see there, look, it's got no nose now. Let's go back and -C. Get the poor penguin a nose there, or beak. There you go. I want to do one more now. I'm liking this. It's playing around with Ascii images is cool. You can use that as like an 8-bit avatar, similar to what you see on the old 1980s BBSs. So let's do one more. Let's try a harder image this time. Let's try that one here. Yaesu FT857. There we go. There's the 857. Let's do a minus C. Get in colour. There you go. Let's do it minus C, minus B. That looks good. In Braille, you can sort of see the numbers there. 21 decimal, I think it's 255. Let's try it without the colour. There you are, 21255, and that's the Yaesu FT857 in Braille. Now you could take a screenshot of that and so on. Anyway, if you found the video of some use, I do give it a thumbs up. And that was how to convert images to Ascii. It supports things like JPEG, supports things like PNG, TIFF, and so on. All the popular formats. Anyway, thank you very much for watching Nights Wednesdays, and I'll see you in the next video. Converting images to Ascii is cool. Yeah, check it out. Look at it. Thanks for watching.